morning, how are we doing? Welcome back to the channel. Another glorious day. What's it, 18 degrees, 20 past 9. It's only going to get warmer. Got out in the old leather jacket today because it's a bit nippy with a wind blast, but I could regret that later on if I'm honest, but we shall see. So the plan for today, we are going to meet up with another group of bikes, or bikers should I say. It's a Facebook group. I think it's OTT East Coast Rides or something like that, I think it's called. I got asked to join the group a few weeks ago. Obviously it's a bike group, I accepted. And today they're having a ride out down to Colchester Kawasaki. This is the first time I've been out with the group. I think they've done one ride previous to this, and they've got a few other events planned. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get to one of the other events they're doing, which is a bit of a shame really, but it lands on my wife's birthday, so kind of need to sort of spend the day with her really. And we are going to London for the weekend, so yeah, so I thought I'd take today as an opportunity to go and meet the group. There is a couple of people in the group that I have been chatting to for quite a while, to be honest, through Facebook and Instagram and whatnot, but I've never actually met them face to face, so today's going to be quite good to be able to actually put a face to the name, or face to the conversations. I'm going as a lone rider because I asked a couple of my mates to go, but I had no response, so I didn't bother asking again. The only downside to this group is sort of based in sort of Norwich and Yarmouth, which, I mean, Yarmouth's an hour away from me and Norwich is a good 40-minute ride, and to be fair they're both boring rides if you go direct to Yarmouth and Norwich, so but Beccles is not a bad little ride. The roads ain't too bad. Already running a little bit behind. I think the meeting time was like 10 o'clock and I might be a little bit later than 10, but we shall see. Anyway, I'll come back to you when we get nearer to our meeting point. Right, so that sign and that little strawberry thing tells me that I'm very close, because I always remember that strawberry thing when I passed this McDonald's, so we are pretty much there, so we'll see who's there already. And I've made it in good time actually. Don't know how to get in here though, that's the next thing. Welcome. Come in here, I think. There's bikes. Lots of bikes. Looks promising. Been waved at, so it must be someone I know, or spoke to at least. Doo-doo-doo. Right, this will do. I'll park up here and we'll go and have a chat with some people I have no idea and I've never met before, so I will come back to you when we get on the route. Speak to you in a bit. So welcome back. I've got an apology. We've just done a ride from Beccles to Ipswich, Suzuki Orwell motorcycles. I thought I'd pressed the start button on the record and I didn't, so I've been chatting away to a camera that wasn't even switched on. So that's really handy. For once it wasn't the GoPro playing up, so. But anyway. So we're now off to Colchester Kawasaki, the intended route. I think the plan was to pick someone up at Orwell's in Ipswich, but I don't think they turned up, so yeah, so we're now on the way to Colchester. Really wish I'd worn my mesh jacket because it is getting very warm. But there you go, never mind, is what it is. I've got to be honest, never met any of these people before, and they're all really nice people actually. I mean, I didn't expect anything less, to be honest, but they're a nice bunch of people. I'll definitely be riding with again. Anyway, I'm going to shut up because apparently the roads we're going on are quite twisty and windy to Colchester, so enjoy the ride, and I'll get back to you when we get to Colchester, and hopefully we'll have a good look round. I believe we are here. We have arrived, and I am hot. Anyway, let's go have a look around. So, a little bit of a confession. I rode all the way home with no mic plugged into my helmet. So, although there's footage, there's actually no audio. Yeah, bit of a schoolboy error on my part. I forgot to plug it in, basically, when I've done the little walk around with in Kawasaki. So, yeah. I mean, I've had a break. I'm getting back into it, you know? It's just takes a little bit of time. Schoolboy error on my part, I know. But I hope you like the video. So the people in that group are a great bunch of people. Really, really enjoyed my day. The people were awesome. Everyone was looking out for each other. Really, really enjoyed it. I'm not a big fan of group rides, but I couldn't really fault that. So I've already signed up to the next ride out. I believe the next one they're going on is a Peterborough Wheels motorcycle shop, and then there's a graffiti tunnel in Peterborough, which is got some amazing artwork. So watch out for that video. So yeah, basically, I hope you enjoyed the video. If anyone from the group is watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Obviously subscribe. And I'll yeah, I'll see you all on the next video. Catch you later.